Follow these instructions for the daily rinse procedure. Before starting, you will need a 32-ounce minimum empty container. Open the dispenser door. Lift up on the product containers and remove them from the machine. Wipe down the internal compartment of the cabinet and the concentrate container's inlet adapter area. Place an empty container under the dispense nozzles. Pull and hold the tap handles to dispense from each station until clear water flows from the dispense nozzles. Open the dispenser door and reconnect all product containers. Follow these instructions for the daily parts washing procedures. Remove the dispense nozzles by rotating each nozzle 90 degrees counterclockwise and pull down. Take note which stations have a dispense nozzle equipped with a nitro stout insert. Remove the drip tray. Wash the drip tray parts in a mild detergent solution. Wash the dispense nozzles in a mild detergent solution. Rinse thoroughly. Use brush to clean inside and o-ring area on dispense nozzles. If the nozzle has a nitro stout insert, remove the insert and clean the part with a brush. Wipe splash panel, areas around dispense nozzles and refrigerated compartment with a clean, damp cloth. Use a brush and mild detergent solution to clean the inside dispense area where the dispense nozzles were removed. Follow these instructions for the sanitization process. Please note the sanitizer options available. Before starting, you will need one empty 5-gallon bucket, sanitizer, and clean empty concentrate containers. Remove all concentrate from the dispenser and store in a separate refrigerated compartment. Fill a clean empty concentrate container with approximately 32 ounces of warm tap water at minimum 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Load the containers of warm water into the dispenser. Place an empty container under the dispense area. Pull and hold the tap handle to dispense water until the stream out of the nozzle runs clear. Repeat the process for all dispense stations. Once complete, remove the container and empty. Remove each dispense nozzle. Run the nozzles under hot tap water to remove excess product buildup. Prepare 2.5 gallons of sanitizing solution. Mix the solution thoroughly. Place nozzles in a separate 1-quart container of sanitizing solution and mix thoroughly. Allow the parts to soak for 2 minutes. Please note that each dispense nozzle has 2 O-rings at the top that may need lubrication. Only use food-grade lubricant. Spread a light layer of lubricant on the O-rings for each dispense nozzle. Clean the dispense nozzle receptacle with sanitizing solution and a soft bristle brush. Clean the product concentrate receptacles with the sanitizing solution and a soft bristle brush. Clean the concentrate bottles inlet adapters using the sanitizing solution and a soft bristle brush. Install the nitro stout inserts into the dispense nozzle. Not all nozzles will have an insert as they are only used on stations that have nitrogen infusion. Install the dispense nozzles. The nozzles that have a nitro stout insert should only be installed on dispense stations with nitrogen infusion. Fill approximately 128 ounces of sanitizing solution into a clean, empty concentrate container. Do not reuse sanitizer from earlier steps. Load the containers into the dispenser. Place an empty 5-gallon bucket under the dispense nozzles. Dispense sanitizing solution through station for 1 minute. Allow to soak for 5 minutes. Dispense from the station again for 2 minutes. Repeat the process for all dispense stations. When the cycles are complete, remove the sanitizing solution and replace it with product concentrate. Place a container under the dispense nozzle and activate a dispense until product appears. Repeat this process for each station. Dispense a 12-ounce glass of finished product and discard. Wipe internal and external surfaces with a clean damp cloth. Follow these instructions for the weekly air filter and condenser coil cleaning. Locate the air filter at the back of the machine and slide up to remove. Clean the air filter in warm soapy water. Use a soft bristle brush to clean the buildup of dirt in the condenser coils. Install the air filter.